Welcome to the BNB. We're going into GoodFood stock once again. This is part 2. If you missed part 1, go check it out. And also, if you are at the same time going to check out part 1, subscribe to the channel. Let's get into the GoodFood stock. I have to tell all my viewers beforehand that GoodFood.to is my favorite stock on the TSX, meaning Toronto Stock Exchange. I made a part 1 where I explained the business model of the company and their growth strategies to understand the company to a better level. That video link is in the description below. These results in front of us allow me to confirm that this hyper growth company will in the coming years grow on a phenomenal pace and allow me, the investor, to make some amazing returns. Also, at the end of this video, I will show you my 5-figure position in the company. It represents almost 40% of my portfolio. A message to meet Kevin, so you can see the amount of conviction I have in the stock. You see that this amazing quarter earning in front of you for a while. You have had them and you must have been amazed on how great they are. First of all, you see that the active subscriber base has almost doubled within 2 years. It might not impress you in the beginning, but what you find out what qualifies an active subscriber, you will be. An active subscriber is someone who orders groceries on GoodFood services twice a week at least, and these kind of people are very likely not to leave the service ever in their life because they've grown accustomed to such services. Now, money wise, the revenue has almost tripled. That allows to conclude that the revenue grew around 60% on average every year. And I can tell you, in the food industry, very few among the few are able to demonstrate such growth numbers. Some promised it like that to Chef, but haven't demonstrated yet. Last video I confirmed that the margin increases in the company and they still are the same through the company, even though GoodFood has done some major sales to attract new clientele. Very happy to see such margins even in this quarter. I believe if they continue on that rhythm, they might find themselves with around 40 to 50% margins, which even rival tech companies. And for the most part, tech companies are overly priced, and here you see that GoodFood is undervalued very much. Market cap has more than tripled, which reflects stockholder confidence in the company. This quarter in 2021, for the first time in history, GoodFood company was able to generate over $100 million in revenue with $30 million in profit. I will show you an amazing calculation that made me consider GoodFood's forward PE at this exact moment, and you guys will be shocked. If the company is expected to make $440 million with 30% margin, you will be able to make a simple calculation, which is 30% of $440 million in revenue. That equals to $132 million in profit. And today's market cap, the company is valued around $600 million. You can see that this amazing company is trading at a forward PE around 5. And I have never in my life seen a company valued at 5 forward PE, especially a company with tech margins at that trade at such low multiples. I am baffled why this is such a small market cap. In comparison, DoorDash trades 50 times earning, which is incredible to me. You might be a bit confused when I say GoodFood is making 30 million in profit when the EPS is negative, but understanding that the company reinvests much of its profit to be able to reach more people in different cities. They build factories in Toronto and Alberta, which shows their dedication to expand in other cities. And fortunately, the biggest opportunity for this company is expanding to the USA. If they are able to expand to such territories, we will see a valuation on this company for easily 10 to 20 billion dollars for market cap. And if they perform at the same level they have been doing in Canada, for it to have a 10 to 20 billion dollar market cap, they must perform the same way they're doing in Canada. And I believe the management is phenomenal, and the management has been working very hard. One unfortunate bearish point that was pointed out by an analyst, an RBC analyst, not long ago, was that GoodFood might decelerate the stock growth. And I do not believe that's going to be the case. The analyst in question says that GoodFood stock will remain at $9, and I do not believe that's going to be the case because GoodFood is expanding to other territories, and for me, a penetration in other places will allow the acceleration to grow on multiple levels rather than slow it down. But I don't believe analysts. Analysts say whatever they want, and then they get away with so much bull crap that they inform us, and I'm not happy with that. If you like the report I made on GoodFood, subscribe to the channel, share the video to somebody who is not a GoodFood follower. And now let's get to my portfolio reveal. And finally, something you've been all waiting for, my portfolio reveal. First account, I have 22,997.23, which was my book cost. I'm actually down on that position. Like you can see, I'm down a percent, which equals to $400, which is pretty insane. 2,616 shares. Very, very happy with that position. I'm thinking of building it up even more, but at this moment, I'm not sure. Not because I'm not shorting the company, but I have also dividend plans. I'm hoping to expand into dividend stocks for stability in my account. Now, second account, you can see average cost bases are higher, 912, bought in just $1,000, which is unfortunate, not much money. I'm hoping to build that position up very much. And last account, $7,000 in it. Book on all my position, unfortunately down because the stock has been trading down. It was up at 14 bucks one point, and I was in that bull run. I was in there. I was having fun. I was making a lot of money. This position went up to $36,000, and now I'm back down on earth, which now I have added some shares, and I'm fortunately up. I have $30,000 in this portfolio altogether. I'm at around 31,000 actually, and I'm really happy with that position, and I hope you like my position. This is almost 40% of my portfolio. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.